помимо того,
Мгм.
что надо потратить час
So
времени,
today
чтобы... Ну,
she went outside for the reason that she had to go to and find a pharmacy that has particular medications. One of her very close friends' daughter is sick, and she is, I believe she... Сколько ей лет, дочке? Я не хочу имя называть. Сколько? 7.
7.
Yeah, she's 7 years old, so she's sick, and the friend asked her to buy medications because the friend is not here in Ukraine. So and mom cannot go outside because they are staying inside with the kid. So she had to go outside, try to get a cab, and then she went to a couple of pharmacies where the supplies are either absent completely at this point or super low, and you have to stay in line for hours by the time you actually able to buy anything. So that takes obviously a lot of time. So when you're not comfortable or safe outside, you don't know what's going to happen at any moment during the day. И потом что, Ян? What happened?
Звучит сирена, мы потушим свет. Вот. Ну, я буду говорить дальше. Мы дома. Ну, я зашла в аптеку, прозвучала сирена.
And the siren went on, so she had to turn the lights off. So she's just gonna talk in the dark.